Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Epic Games to your Steam Games library. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Add a Game. Go ahead and click on that, and from the menu that appears, select Add a non-Steam game. This feature allows you to bring games from other platforms into your Steam library, making it easier to manage all your games in one place. Now, a window will pop up showing you a list of programs and games that Steam has automatically detected on your computer. Browse through this list and look for your Epic Games. If you find the game you want to add, simply check the box beside it. This tells Steam that you want to include this particular game in your library. However, if you can't find your Epic Games in this list, don't worry. There's another way to add them manually. In the bottom left panel of this window, you'll see a button labeled Browse. Click on that to manually search for your game files. Although I don't have any Epic Games installed right now, I'm going to show you what the next steps would look like. Let's pretend that I have an Epic game installed on my computer. After clicking Browse, a File Explorer window will open. Here, you'll need to navigate to the folder where your Epic Games are stored. This is usually in your program files or wherever you chose to install the game. Once you've located the game's executable file, which is typically the file that launches the game, select it and click Open. This adds the game to your selection list. After you've either selected games from the automatic list or manually browsed and added them, click Add Selected Programs. Steam will now process your selection and add these games to your library. This might take just a moment, so be patient while Steam updates your library with the new additions. Once that's done, navigate to the upper left corner of the Steam interface and click on Library. This is where all your games, both Steam and non-Steam, are displayed. Now, in the left panel of your library, scroll through and look for the Epic Games you just added. This confirms that the games have been successfully integrated into your Steam library. You can now launch them directly from Steam, and you'll also be able to use Steam's features like the overlay and hour tracking with these games. And that's it, you've successfully added your Epic Games to your Steam library, making it easier to access all your games from one convenient location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.